Head over to the Weather Center. Holly, I don't know, man. It's been a very dreary last couple of days.
I know.
Rumors are that at least the temperature will be warming up. I don't know if that's true.
It's going to start, and we're already seeing those skies starting to brighten a bit. And speaking of bright, look out. We are in for some Saturday sunshine at 6:15. If you were just waking up and tuning in, it's great to see you this morning. And yes, the winds have certainly been the story, along with all that rain from yesterday, for goodness sakes. Windy weather will continue to prevail. We don't have advisories or warnings at this point, but I mean, it's very, very windy. We told you at the top of the show that there are still numerous power outages. Obviously, the winds will be a part of the weather story through the first part of today especially, but so will the sunshine, and that is going to help. And then winds will start to ease late day. I'll show you what I mean by late day here in just a moment, but right now it is still very windy. Not advisory or warning worthy, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you hear them whistling around your own home, and sustained winds right now are still clocking between about 15 and 20. The wind gusts are in yellow, and they're as high as 35 miles an hour right now in Ashtabula. So, of course, this makes a difference in how it feels. Although our current temperatures are in the 40s, wind chills, the numbers in pink, if you happen to be staring at the TV in between bites of cereal, are in the 30s. So it's feeling a lot colder. Make sure you grab that heavier spring coat. I'm happy to report that advisories and such have all been dropped. We're still seeing a lot of that to our east, but we're not in it. And you know what? We are going to be soaking up some rays today. So I think that's going to come as fantastic news after the dreary Friday that we had. Partly to mostly sunny skies is the plan. We'll end up in the mid to upper 50s, still just a tad shy of the average high of 59 we should be for this time of the year. But hey, some sun, 50s, we'll take it. The winds, that's going to be the part that makes it feel cooler. That's why I'm saying sweatshirts and, you know, a few layers today would be a great idea. As we look ahead, clocks in the upper right-hand corner. We keep it really breezy through this morning, and those wind gusts are still high even into the afternoon, 30+ miles an hour. It won't be until this evening and more so tonight that they really start to ease substantially. So it'll happen in a gradual way. That being said, as we get into your forecast, we'll start with the Guardians game, because we've got a doubleheader since the game was postponed last night. So that first pitch, first game, 12:10, 50s, breezy, sweatshirts, sunglasses, you get the idea. We've got the windy start. We'll see winds ease later today. We're looking for a high of 57. And then just early heads up for tomorrow, I am tracking thunderstorms later in the day. So fast forward on your National Design Mart forecast past a few shower chances early. Then we get into the evening. This is 5 o'clock. We start to see more numerous showers around 6, 7 o'clock, possible rumbles of thunder too. But it's going to be so much warmer tomorrow. 70s for highs on your Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook, and then 60s Monday as we are work and school bound. It's hard to believe. Tax day Monday too, the 15th. We'll see more 70s Tuesday, and then better chances again midweek. Kaitor for some showers and thunderstorms.
All right.